Hello students, welcome you all to my English class. Hope you all are doing well at your places. Students, in this video I'm going to discuss with you a new topic, that is transformation of sentences. Okay? Transformation of a sentence means changing it from one grammatical form to another without changing its sense or meaning. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ अ सेंटेंस क्या होता है बच्चे? उसकी ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्म को चेंज कर देना. उसका जो मीनिंग है वो चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए, बट वी विल चेंज इट्स ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्म. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज रिमूवल ऑफ द एडवर्ब टू. एडवर्ब टू है जो, उसको अगर हमने सेंटेंस में से रिमूव करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? A simple sentence containing the adverb to can be transformed into a complex sentence containing so and that with no difference in meaning. अगर हमने to को remove करना है, then we will add so and that to that very sentence and make it complex sentence. Okay, with no difference in meaning. Please keep this thing in mind that only grammatical form will be changed, meaning will remain the same. Okay. Next, see the example. He is too weak to walk. Too. Okay. Now we will add so and that to that very sentence. He is so weak that. That is conjunction here. Okay, he is so weak that he cannot walk. Now see, the meaning of the sentence remains same, it hasn't changed. He is too weak to walk. वो बहुत ज़्यादा weak है कि चल नहीं सकता. He is so weak that he can't walk. वो इतना weak है कि चल नहीं सकता. ठीक है, मीनिंग दोनों का ही सेम रहा है, बट we have changed its grammatical form. Okay, so whenever you want to remove to from a sentence, you will remove it with the help of so and that. Okay, see the next example. It is never too late to mend. इतनी देरी कभी भी नहीं होती है कि हम कोई भी चीज को ठीक ना कर पाएं. So it will be changed as it is never so late that, conjunction, because we want to make it complex. It is never so late that a thing cannot be mended. Now keep this thing in mind that whenever you are using can, you will use verbs first form with it, and whenever you are using can with be, then you will use verbs third form with. Next is interchange of degrees of comparisons. Students, degrees of comparisons are there in adjectives. There are three types of degrees of comparisons: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, firstly let's see the positive degree. No other metal is as precious as gold. Here the positive degree is precious. क्लियर? सो कोई भी मेटल उतना प्रेशियस नहीं है जितना गोल्ड है. नेक्स्ट इज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. गोल्ड इज more precious than any other metal. Here we compared gold with the other metals with the help of than. Okay, see, the comparative degree is more precious. Okay, comparative degrees can also be formed with the help of adding er to the adjectives. Okay, like easier. Easy is the adjective and we will add er to make it comparative degree. Next is superlative. Superlative means we have to show one thing superior of the other. Gold is the most precious of all metals. The most precious. The most precious here is superlative degree. Here we use the. Okay. And if we want to make superlative degree of easy, it will be easiest we will add est to it. Okay, so students, like this, if we want to change one of the sentence to the other, means if positive degree is there and you want to make it comparative, so you will add then to it and add comparative degree to it. And if you want to use the superlative degree, then we will use superlative degree in the sentence. Okay, see the next example of the same for more clarification. Very few cities in India are as populous as Delhi. This is the positive form. Okay, now we have to use it in the comparative also. Delhi is more populous than other cities in India. हमने दिल्ली को अदर सिटीज के साथ कंपेयर कर दिया. ओके, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Delhi is one of the most populous cities in India. Delhi is the one of the most, कि जितनी भी populous cities हैं उनमें से दिल्ली एक है. ओके, और यहाँ पे हमने उसको कंपेयर कर दिया अदर सिटीज के साथ इन इंडिया. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन, इंटरचेंज ऑफ वन पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इनटू द अनदर बाय चेंजिंग अ वर्ड इनटू अ नाउन. जब हमने एक वर्ड को नाउन में चेंज करना है तो कैसे करना है हमने. ही इज ऑनेस्ट इन हिज डीलिंग्स. ही इज ऑनेस्ट इन हिज डीलिंग्स. वो अपनी डीलिंग्स में ऑनेस्ट है. ही शोज ऑनेस्टी इन हिज डीलिंग्स. वो ऑनेस्टी शो करता है. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज देयर. ओके, I work every day. I work every day. Now we will change work to noun. I do my work every day. Okay? आपने तो जस्ट सेंटेंस का पैटर्न चेंज करना है ना, मीनिंग सेम रहना चाहिए. हमने यहाँ पे ये वर्ब था, यहाँ पे हमने इसको नाउन बना दिया. ओके, मीनिंग सेम रहना चाहिए, बट वी विल हैव टू चेंज इट्स ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्म इन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बाय चेंजिंग अ वर्ड इनटू अ वर्ब. एक वर्ड को वर्ब में चेंज करना. आशा इज लिसनिंग टू द टीचर अटेंटिवली. आशा टीचर को अटेंटिवली सुन रही है. आशा इज अटेंडिंग टू द टीचर. व्हाट इज द verb of attentive? Is attending, attend. Okay, so like this you will have to change or transform the sentences. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you, students.